Hi, this is Hariprasad. Today we discuss about IR spectroscopy. Last class I discussed UV visible spectroscopy. UV visible spectroscopy working based on the transfer of the electrons from ground state to excited state. But IR spectroscopy is based on the vibrations of atoms. So that's why it is also called vibrational spectroscopy. It is also called vibrational spectroscopy. It deals with the infrared regions of the electromagnetic spectrum, that is, light having a longer wavelength and a lower frequency than visible light. Actually, IR region is the light. IR light is the longer wavelength and low frequency. High wavelength have a low frequency. IR spectroscopy required less amount of energy. It have less amount of energy. So that's why lower frequency. But UV visible spectroscopy is higher frequency, okay, shorter wavelength. That is the UV visible spectroscopy. But IR spectroscopy have a longer wavelength and a lower frequency than visible light. So infrared spectroscopy generally refer to the analysis of the interaction of the molecules with light. The IR spectroscopy is working process reaction between or interaction between molecule with infrared light. The IR spectroscopy's concept can generally be analyzed in three ways: by measuring reflections, emissions and absorptions. Commonly, based on these samples, the light is passed into the sample. The sample to contains different types of molecules, different types of atoms. The different types of some atoms to absorb the light, some molecules to emit the light, some molecule to reflect the light. So any molecules, one of the processes are exhibited. So in case some molecules absorption of IR light, some molecules emission of IR light, some molecules reflect the IR light. So any process, the molecules are absorbed by light to vibrate the atoms. That is called vibrational spectroscopy. Okay. The major use of infrared spectroscopy is to determine the functional groups. Actually, IR spectroscopy main use is to find out functional groups present in the molecules. Okay, relevant to both organic and inorganic chemistry. So, any organic molecules or any inorganic molecules to contain different types of functional groups. Actually, how to determine functional groups? In case the functional group is determined, to use of analytical testing or practicals and titration, different types of methods. But by use of IR spectroscopy, the sample is fixed in the instrumentation to pass into IR region light. It is easily find out presence of the functional group based on the spectrum of the diagram. Okay, so it is the easily simple method compared with the other processes, but it is required IR spectroscopy instrumentations. But our instrumentation cost is very high. So any molecule to place in the IR spectroscopy instrumentation, it to determine functional groups of the molecules. Okay, infrared spectroscopy is to determine the functional groups in pure compound. So any compound, okay, any functional groups present in the molecules, which are all the identification by the IR spectroscopy. When molecules absorb electronic radiation in IR regions undergoing vibrational or rotational transitions. Already I discussed the light is passed in the molecules, which molecules to contain different types of atoms or same atoms. The atoms, in case the molecules are different molecules, for example, This is the one molecule. This is the another molecules. At the same time, this is the molecule. It is same atoms present in the molecules which contains different atoms, CO or H2O. Different atoms present. The atoms are different, which is easily find out by IR region, because the pass of IR light in the heteromolecules, the heteromolecules are vibrated and rotations by the light. So in the process, the IR light is active, because the IR, some cases inactive, some cases the IR is active. So which cases? For example, HClCO, there is the different atoms in the molecules. Different atoms present in the molecules, okay, where the IR is active. In case some molecules have a same atoms, some molecules have a same atoms where the IR is inactive, because same atom, same energy have present in the molecules between the atoms, cannot change, cannot absorb the IR light. So that's why they cannot determine. But different atoms present in the molecules, which easily find out functional group of the molecules where the IR is very active. Okay, means they does not absorb IR radiations. IR region ranges from 400 to 4000 centimeters inwards. Okay, if the frequency of IR radiations matched with the vibrational frequency of the molecules, then molecules absorb radiations. When to create a spectrum, guess the light is passed into samples where the frequency of IR radiations matched with the vibrational frequency of molecules. The molecules are vibrated by light. In case the molecules are vibrated, then to create frequency, then the molecule frequency and the radiation frequency both are the matched to create spectrum in a computer and a display detector. Okay, fundamentals of vibrations. These vibrations are arise when molecules promoted from ground state to lower excited state. The fundamentals vibrations for in linear and non-linear molecules are determined by the following waves. For example, two types of molecules available: linear molecules, non-linear molecules. Okay, the linear molecules are vibrated or rotated. Non-linear molecules are vibrated or rotated when the pass of IR light. In case the molecules are linear or non-linear molecules are in case have a different atoms, there is the to rotate or vibrate to degree of freedom 3n minus 5, 3n minus 6, where n is the number of atoms. In case any number of, how many number of atoms? All atoms are vibrated by the light, because the light frequency and molecules of atoms mobility frequency both are you matched to create spectrum. Okay. The vibrations discussed below are fundamentals of vibrations. Actually, two types of vibrations are formed by the IR spectroscopy. One is the stretching vibrations. Stretching vibrations. Distance between two atoms in increase or decrease, but bond angle remains constant. For example, this is the atom. This is the atom. Okay. The both molecules are distance between the increase or the decrease between the molecules. The distance is decrease or increase means skinning or skipping. Okay. Some molecules between the atoms, the bond length is increase or decreases. The bond length between the molecules increase or decrease, but angle cannot changes. The constant angle is present, but the bond length is increase or decrease. So stretching vibrations also again into two types. How to stitching, how to expand, or how to skinning. In case there is two types. Symmetric stretching vibration. What is symmetric stretching vibration? For example, this is the molecules. This is the X molecule connected with Y and Y, where the both bonds are decrease. Both bonds are decrease. This is called symmetric stretching. In case the both bonds are increase, the bonds are increased, both bonds, both atoms are increased. Okay, expanded. For example, this is the molecules, this is the molecule. So one atom attached and another atom attached with their bonds. Both bonds are increased, like a expanded or skinning. So same characters of the both atoms in a molecule, there is called symmetric stretching vibrations. In case, what is the asymmetric stretching molecules? Asymmetric means both atoms cannot increase or decrease. One atom increased and another atom decreased. For example, this is the Y molecule, this is the Y molecule. For example, this is the other molecules. The bond is have a stretching bonds. So this is increase, the bond is increased, but the bond is decrease. That is called asymmetric stretching. Or the bond is decrease, the bond is increase. So both are you cannot increase or decrease. One atom bond increase, another atom bond is decrease. Both are you perpendicular, opposite. That is called asymmetric stretching vibrations. Okay, stretching vibrations are two types. Okay, symmetric stretching vibrations, asymmetric stretching vibrations. What is the symmetric stretching vibrations? In the molecules, two atoms are expanded or skinning. That is called symmetric. But the asymmetric process, in both atoms in a molecules, one atom are increased and the atom is decreased. So there is the increase, there is decrease. In case there is decrease, there is increase. Both are opposite process. One is increased, one is expanded, and there is skinning. That is called asymmetric stretching vibrations. Next, the second vibration is bending vibrations. Bending vibrations. Actually, stretching vibrations means the bond is increase or decrease. Okay, bending means cannot increase, decrease bond. Only atoms are bended. Okay, same atoms same side bended, or atoms are different side bended. This is called bending vibrations. Distance between two atoms remaining constant, but bond angle changes. Where distance is same, where distance, the bond distance is same distance. Okay, but vibrations is but bending is different. Okay, bond length is constant, cannot change, but atoms are bended. This is called bending vibrations. Okay, these vibrations can occur either in planar or out of the planar. Some molecules are above the plane or below the plane. For example, there is also four types. One is rocking, second is scissoring, third is twisting, four is wagging. Four types of bending process is available: rocking, scissoring, twisting, wagging. What is the rocking? What is the rocking? So rocking means there is the rocking. For example, the both atoms are bended same side. So this is the bended this side, this is also bended this side. So both atoms are bended into same side. That is called rocking. That is called rocking. Next, scissoring. Scissoring means one atom like a scissor, Thus, in the scissor, end of the two side of the scissors, both are combined and repelled. Cutting in the cutting process, joint and repelled. So at the same time, in the scissoring process, the atoms are bended. Both are opposite side. For example, this is the bended into right side. This atom is bended to left side. So on the bending process, both atoms are joint is both atoms distance is very small distance, and also the distance is increased. So like a scissoring process, the vibrate are like a scissoring natures, like a scissoring process. Okay, this is the scissoring bending. Okay, so bending is the discussed. Rocking means the atoms are same side bending. Okay, this is the atom. This is the atom. So this both are. It is also bended and it is also same side bended. That is called. Okay, that is called rocking. Scissoring means this is bended to another atom, and also this is bended to another atoms. Both are you coming to each other and both are you repelled. That is the like a scissor process. So that's why it is called scissoring bending. The next is twisting and wagging. Twisting and wagging. Twisting and wagging means, for examples, this is the plane. My hand is plane position, where the molecule is present, one molecule, and another molecule is also present. Okay, both are you bended into same position, up and down. So, for example, this is the two atoms. So the two atoms are bended up and bended bottom. So both are you bended same side. That is called twisting. So both are the flat charge. Flat charge means, for example, in the plane. So both atoms are same side bended. So this is the plane. Both atoms are same side bended. What is the wagging means same side. What is the twisting? Twisting means one atom bended into bottom, and the atom bended into up positions. So both are you opposite bended. Okay, they cannot same side bended. Where molecules are same side bended, where in the plane on the plane, out of the plane, in the planes. For example, this is the plane. The molecules are bended into the same side. That is called wagging. In case the molecules are cannot bend into same side, opposite side. One is on the plane, and there is below the plane. On the plane, below the plane. Both are you opposite the vibrations. That is called twisting bended. So four types of bended. Rocking means same side bended. Scissoring means both are you scissoring type of vibrations, and twisting means both are you opposite on the plane and below the plane. One is the on the plane, one is the below the plane, above the plane. So wagging means both atoms are same side on the plane or below the plane, but same is two atoms present in the on the plane. In case two atoms present in the above the plane, but twisting means one atom on the plane and the atom above the plane. This is called bending vibrations. Okay. Next one. IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy is the modified and new technology instrumentations of injected to create best quality of IR spectroscopy. There is called FTIR spectroscopy. FTIR spectroscopy. Where FTIR means Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. The performed method of infrared spectroscopy. It is also one of the IR spectroscopy. FTIR, IR both are the same process, but some points are different. Which points? There is the new technology method. There is not accuracy any errors. Okay. So IR spectrum some accuracy errors, but cannot present any errors. Okay. In IR spectroscopy or IR radiation is passed through a samples. The light is passed through the sample. Some of the infrared radiation is absorbed by the sample. The light is absorption by sample, and some of is passed through the sample. That is called transmitted. Some molecules pass through the light, some molecule absorption. In case passed or absorption or emitted any process, the resulting spectrum represented the molecular absorption and transmission. Create molecular fingerprint samples. To create molecular fingerprint samples. Like a fingerprint, now two unique molecular structures produce the same IR spectroscopy. This makes infrared spectroscopy useful for several types of analysis. Okay. So IR spectroscopy, FTIR both are the same side, but some new technology injected in the IR spectroscopy decrease the errors in the IR spectroscopy. That is called FTIR spectroscopy. So it contains some parts. One is the source of light. There is the source of light. Okay. There is the beam splitter. Two types of mirrors are used in FTIR. One is the mobile mirror, and there is the constant fixed mirror. Mobile mirror and fixed mirror, and also beam splitter. So it is the light is passed into sample chamber and passed into detector to create spectrum in a detector. Based on this spectrum, the compound present different types of functional groups are determined. Okay. How to work FTIR? The FTIR instrumentations relies upon interference of various frequencies of light to produce a spectrum. Different types of lights are present in the IR spectroscopy to produce. It is passed into sample to produce spectrum. It has the diagram to contain different parts. Okay, light source, mobile mirrors, fixed mirrors, beam splitters. Different types of parts are present at the same parts. One is the sample, two mirrors, laser reference detector. But the assembly of components also including beam splitter. The main component is in the instrument is beam splitter, where the light is splitting into two unequal light is splitting, and the two strategic mirrors that functions as in inframeters. The source energy stricken the beam splitter and produce two beams of roughly the same intensity. Already discussed. The light is passed into beam splitter. First, the sample light is passed into beam splitter, where to produce two different lights. That means where to repel the light. Okay, two beams of roughly they are same intensity. The two lights intensity is same intensity. One beam splitting light, the fixed mirror passed into fixed mirror and return to the beam splitter. There is return to the beam splitter. The other beam goes into the moving mirror. two lights, one light is passed into fixed mirror, another light is passed into moving mirror. The motion of the moving mirror makes the total path length variable variances that take by the fixed mirror beam. When these two beams meet upon at the beam splitter, they recombine and the difference in the path length create constructive and destructive interference in intergrams. For example, and that is passed into mobile mirror. But both mirrors are repulsed same lights. The mobile mirror, the light is reflected back into beam splitter. It is repeatedly passed into fixed mirror, where the fixed mirror, the both lights, the starting first light and the second after mobile mirror to fixed mirror light, both lights are combined constructions, different wavelength characters of both lights combined. Total light is passed into mirrors or detector or sample chambers, only one directions, where the reference sample containing main sample also containing. Reference sample cannot produce spectrum, but main sample to contains molecules. So the pass of light is passed into molecules. Absorption of by the light, the molecules atoms are vibrated. Two types of vibration. Already discussed, bending and stretching vibrations. Some molecules are stretching vibrations, some molecules are bending vibrations based on the molecules. So after the vibrations, the light is passed into or emitted or transmitted through the sample to detector to produce spectrum in a computer. This is the FTIR instrumentation principles. What is the difference? IR instrumentation and FTIR instrumentation. IR instrumentation cannot use mobile light and fixed mirror. But in this, the mobile mirror and fixed mirror are used. So two types of light are passed to front and back side in the mobile mirror and fixed mirror. Totally combined in the beam splitter to pass into only one direction to the mirror, and it is passed into main sample and the reference sample. Reference sample cannot produce spectrum, main sample produce spectrum because the containing of the samples or substance. Okay. The recombined beam, light means light, passed through the sample. The sample absorbs all the wavelength, different wavelengths. Okay. The characteristics of its spectrum and then subtract specific wavelength of the intergrams. So to produce specific wavelength, to produce specific spectrums in that based on the characteristic of the samples. Okay. So detect now the report variations in the energy versus time to further wavelength simultaneously changes. There is called FTIR spectroscopy instrumentation process. Okay, thank you.